ये बहुत ही हॉट, सिजलिंग और क्रिस्पी होने वाला है। क्या सच में ये एक हॉट आइटम नंबर नहीं है? माई उषा OTG कुक्स टू परफेक्शन। देखिए मेरी फेवरेट डिशेस ushacook.com पर।
The perfect pulao. My Usha rice cooker does it just like that. Ah, it's ready already. And if you drop this, it won't break. Usha, the perfect rice cooker. Come, let's see some super likes. See my favorite dishes at ushacook.com. Time for my much needed smoothie. Very fast, totally fresh. And it crushes ice. Cool, na? Usha Tri-Energy Mixer Grinder. Fast and fresh, just the way I like it. See my favorite dishes at ushacook.com.